welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to do a review of Dear Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drop. Hope you can see the cover. This is how it looks like. Anyways, I'm gonna put a picture of it here at the sides. So this one has 5% pure vitamin C essence, Centella asiatica extracts, yuzu extracts, and grapefruit extracts. So I did a little research what these products listed here, like the main ingredients. What are they all about, or what are they talking about? Because I've never heard of Centella asiatica extracts, yuzu, and well, I know what grapefruit is, but the first two I haven't heard of them before. So here's my little cheat sheet, and what I've learned about it is that Centella asiatica is actually known as goto cola, which is really amazing because my grandfather grows this in our backyard in Burawan Leyte, and all the old people would go to our house and ask for the leaves of these plants because it has lots of medicinal benefits. It's good for infected wounds, burns, and scars. It's rich in amino acids, beta-carotene, fatty acids, and phytochemicals. It's also known as the tiger herb in India because when the tigers have cuts in their bodies, they like to roll over in the leaves of the goto cola or the Centella asiatica. And in Sri Lanka, the elephants there likes to eat this, and they have called it the herb of longevity. So it's very interesting. It increases the circulation on your skin, and also increases the production of collagen and collagen in the skin tissue. So that's very interesting. And then the yuzu extract it's like citrusy, tangerine, small citrus fruit, and it boosts the production of collagen, increases skin firmness, and lessens the wrinkles on your body, and also it increases collagen production. So yeah, and then the grapefruit on the other hand, it is rich in vitamin C. So that's what this product is all about. And it says here at the back that excuse me, that to properly apply this, we need to put at least 1 or 2 drops into our serum or cream. So it's nighttime here in the Philippines, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 drops of this to my night cream. Okay? Hello again. I've been using this Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drop, pure vitamin C, for close to a month right now. I always keep it in the box because it is in a light colored bottle, and if this gets exposed to sunlight, it's going to turn yellow, which makes it useless really if it turns yellow or discolored. This is how a vitamin C packaging should be. I made a mistake. This will be the last time I'm going to buy this product. You're asking me why? Because of its poor packaging. It's not worth my money to spend on this. So how to use this: you'll have your moisturizer. I made a video on how to make tinted moisturizer. I'm going to put the link down below on how to do it. So this is my tinted moisturizer. It's a combination of my all-time favorite since I was in high school or secondary school, my Olay White Radiance UV Whitening Lotion, which is SPF 19. So it's a combination of this and my Pond's BB plus CC cream. This will always be my base for everything. It's a standard, like even until probably I am 100 years old, I will still be using this. You know that I can't find this in the Philippines already. I usually can buy it in Tacloban, and then it just went out of the market, so I was only able to buy it in Cebu, and totally I can't find it. And when I was working in Iraq, I was able to buy it in Dubai, so I started buying it in Dubai. And now I'm in Africa, so I found out it's being sold in Singapore. So whenever I know someone is going to Singapore, I hoard it. Right now, on my sister's last trip, I asked her to buy 6 bottles of this for me, so I still have plenty in store. Like, one bottle lasts me for a year, so it's really solid, and it's just like 500 pesos. So enough of that. My review is about the Dr. Klairs and how to use it. So I would get like this amount of my own concoction of tinted face cream. And then I've read I've been doing a lot of TikTok, trust me guys. Like, I could watch TikTok for more than 8 hours a day. So an advice there on how to have that glassy look on your skin is to combine this, your moisturizer, with your serum, which is actually what Dr. Klairs, its packaging says. Put 2 drops of this with your moisturizer. So I'm doing that now. 1, okay, 2 drops of that, and quickly put it inside the box again. We don't want it to be exposed to UV rays, because I'm gonna waste a lot of money if we do that. And then to get that glassy skin, they were advising to put in sunblock. So here's my favorite sunblock. This is by Neutrogena, by the way, and I can feel my skin slowly drying up right now, so we better apply the moisturizer fast. So I'm mixing it here in my palm. I really don't like my skin to be completely dry when we're moisturizing, because it's just futile to moisturize a dry skin. I'd rather start all over and have that cakey dry look on my face. So we're doing this now. This is how I apply the serum on my face. Again, as I've told you before, I am nearsighted. Look at the consistency on my skin. It's oily. So forgive me if you see me, if some areas are not well blended. I'm gonna go over it later. If you can see the motions on my hand, I'm doing upward motions. And in the soft parts of my face, which are the cheek areas, I use my ring finger and my middle finger, because that has the least amount of pressure. For these hard areas here, my nose, my T-zone, my forehead, you will use your pointer finger and your middle finger. It's fine for those areas because these are tough. I mean, like, these are hard ones, see? So it's just fine for that. And then for our neck, we'll do upward motion. It's important to moisturize this area and even this area here as well, because these are the first areas that will show signs of aging. These are the areas that will sag first. So I also pay special attention to this area. Don't neglect this area. And my friend Jay-Z, who's working with a dermatologist in Bern, I don't know, Australia, has advised me to cover my neck and expose it as little as possible to prevent sagging. And as you can see, I have extra moisturizer, so I'm going to put it on the back of my hands because this area wrinkles first. It even wrinkles before your face does. So that's what you should be doing. If you have extra moisturizer, put it there and just keep your hands well moisturized throughout the day. What changes have I seen after consistently doing this? Consistently adding Dr. Klairs on my, or vitamin C on my routine. I think the effect that's happening on my skin right now is more related to adding vitamin C on my skin routine. So my skin has been clearer and glowing. However, if you're buying Dr. Klairs, I would not recommend it because I think it's a waste of money to buy a product that is in a clear colored, to buy vitamin C in a clear colored bottle. Unless, of course, you would want to repackage it and put it in dark colored bottles. I've seen some dark colored bottles in Shopee, and I think that's a very good idea. I shall do that when I go back to the Philippines. You could buy them in 10cc, 5cc, like different cc, different cc. So what you can do is actually put just take what you need in the 10 ml bottle or 15 ml bottle, however much you need, and then just hide your vitamin C in a dark color place. And then if you need more, just get. So that means that you will not be opening your bottle every day, so less oxidation of your pure vitamin C, which will actually help extend its life. So I think that's a really good idea, and I shall do that on my next trip. Thanks for dropping by on my vlog today, and I wish you all good life, good health, and please like, share, and subscribe on my channel. Bye.